Well, even with the longer needle arm on the ET1, having trouble keeping it running. So I don't know what is up with the fuel problem I'm having here. And apparently I'm also having trouble okay. Okay. Aha. All right. So we're registering 5 volts AC. All right. Let's try this again. Oh, and that's just the tiniest bit of load, coming up with 1.6 milliamps and dropping us to 3 volts. Because if I go to nothing, it goes up to 5 there. And that gets us up to 5 milliamps at 3 volts. So yeah. The box is working as far as the load goes. So I do need to make some refinements to the circuit in this, and then I need to find a way to get that belt to pull on the engine pulley better, because it's a tooth belt, so it's really supposed to have tooths to grip on. It's not supposed to rely on straight friction to pull around the belt. So I have a feeling that I have very, very significant slippage, but I didn't set up to measure that, so I guess we will continue refining the setup here, but I'm pretty happy with the box I've got set up, and I bet the wiring is pretty okay. We'll focus on getting the belts in good order, and then with luck, I will hopefully get the ET1 to run more reliably under load. Although I might switch. The ETX also loves running really well under load, or loves running really nicely. And maybe the ETX will run under load better. So, yeah, I'm going to take the belt off and just let the ET1 run out.